Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have another makeup tutorial for you guys. This really like neon, like pink and some neon yellow for today. I just wanted to do something fun for today. I know neon is like really on trend right now. So it's really, honestly, it's really easy to do. It's just 2 shades and that's it. Maybe 3 because I did add a little bit of something. But it's like really easy. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna show you how I did it. And yeah, I just wanted to make something fun for today. This look has been done like over and over again. I just wanted to do it just like this. Why not, you know? One of those days I just said, why not just recreate a look? Yeah, so it's neon, summer neon. I'm all black and then my eyes are just popping. And yeah, I just really like it. So if you guys are interested in how I made this look, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so my brows are done and also I put some concealer as a base on my eyeshadows. I'm gonna use the Morphe times James Charles palette for this video, and right now I'm using a packing brush. I'm gonna use the shadow skip to put all over the lid. This eyeshadow look is really easy, so I'm just gonna pack it on with this brush. I just want to know what you guys think of this palette because I have some really mixed feeling about the palette. To be honest, like I don't really like it. Just let me know down below what you guys think. Here I'm just adding some tape because I wanted the outer edge to be really like sharp. You guys know I love that. And yeah, I just forgot to put some tape, so I'm just adding on some now. So here I'm just going back and adding some shadow on top just to make sure it's really packed on. I'm really sorry if you guys hear background noises. It's just that this is the only time I could do my voiceover, and yeah, that's how I have to work with. So here I'm just gonna blend outer edge. So I'm just gonna use like a small blending brush. I'm gonna add a little bit of that same shade onto the brush just to make sure like it's really blended really well. If you add a bit on your brush, it'll be just easier to blend, basically, instead of trying to drag the shadow that you already packed on your lid. So this is what I'm doing right now. Go all the way to the outer corner to the inner corner. You really want to be like a fade of pink on your eyelid. So here I'm just going back with like another brush just to pack on the pink shadow on top, because after you blend sometimes like the shadow can kind of take off a little bit. So I'm just packing it on a little bit more just to make sure it's really vibrant, and going back into blending. So next I'm just taking a angle brush. So I'm just gonna line my lower lash line with the same eyeshadow. So just make sure to really pack it on there. And here you can just remove the tape because we're pretty much done, like almost done. And yeah, so just you can just remove your tape right now if you like. Next I'm gonna take my concealer and I'm using a bullet brush. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna do a base for the pink shade, for the yellow shadow that we're gonna put in the inner corner, just because first it's gotta be more vibrant, and also because if I were just to put the yellow on top, it might turn orange. So I'd rather put some concealer before I add on that pink shadow, that yellow shadow. Oh my god. So I'm gonna take my Prism palette by Anastasia. I'm gonna take that neon yellow shadow called Sphere. I'm gonna take a shadow brush. I'm just gonna pack it on in the inner corner. I thought this brush wasn't working really well, so what I did, I just washed my first brush and I'm gonna dip in that yellow shade and put it in the inner corner. As you guys can see, it's more vibrant now. So for my face, I'm using my SmashBox primer first.
And then I'm gonna use 2 shades of foundation. You guys see me do my base like 100 times. I just thought like I would talk over it. I'm using 2 shades. The shades will be down below in the description box if you guys want to know what I'm using exactly. But it's the same thing that I'm using from my last video when I reviewed the milk primer. If you guys want to see it, it's just my previous video. I'm going to use some concealer under my eyes and around my mouth because you guys know I have a bit of discoloration around my mouth, just to make sure everything looks flawless. So you just want to make sure you blend everything because you want to get rid of those dark circles. Okay, so now I'm just gonna use a little bit of Mercier translucent powder. This is what I use lately to set my face during the summer. It works really well, so it doesn't crease or anything like that. For my bronzer, I'm using my Bobbi Brown, my True to Die Bobbi Brown. You guys know I love this one. I'm using a different brush lately. I'm using like a contour brush to do my bronzer slash contour lately, and I've really been really liking it. And this one is by Real Techniques. So here I'm just gonna like sharp my cheeks with some concealer, just a little bit, just so like it looks more like cut, you know. I've been really liking this look lately, so that's why I'm doing it here again. And I'm just gonna set it again with my Laura Mercier. For a highlight, I'm not gonna do like super brightening highlight. I'm using my Becca, it's called Topaz highlight, as a base. And then over top, I'm going to use my Amrezy highlight on top. It's pretty blinding, but I'm not using a lot just because I want like the eyes to be the main focus. Yeah, so basically I'm just putting this highlight on top, just a little bit of it on my nose and my cheeks, and that's pretty much it. Here I'm just going back with my angle brush and the pink shadow in the James Charles palette, just to put it under my eyes. I thought it wasn't bright enough, so I'm just going over it just to make sure it's more bright, and I'm gonna blend it right after with my blending brush that I had before, just to make sure everything is well blended together. Next, I'm taking my Ultimate Edit palette by NYX. I just wanted that yellow shade on top of that neon yellow that I had, so I'm just using like a pencil brush. I'm just adding a little bit. It just has a little bit of glitter, that's why I just wanted to add it a little bit on a corner, just to give some kind of dimension. Next, I'm doing my lips. I'm just using my brown eyeliner as my lip liner, like I always do. And next, I'm going to use my Butter Gloss by NYX. It's in the color Tiramisu. I'm just gonna put it on top. I don't know what I was looking at. I don't know why I'm laughing. I don't know what's going on. I don't remember. So yeah, I'm just putting it on top of my lip liner. And then for mascara, I'm using my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara in Cabernet Black. Just a little bit. You guys know I always put false lashes when I do makeup looks, just because I find it looks better. So the top and bottom lashes. So yeah, I'm just gonna add some false lashes, and here I'm just brushing my hair. Basically, this is it for the makeup look.
Okay guys, so this is how I created the look. This is how I did it. Like I said in my intro, this look has been done over and over again. This is just how I chose to do it. This is how it turned out. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I just want to say, like, I just want to say thank you to everybody who's like been liking my colorful looks. You guys are awesome. You guys are pushing me to do more, and you guys are pushing me to do like stuff that I wouldn't normally do, honestly. And I just want to say thank you. You guys don't know how much, like, how rewarding it is actually. So I just want to say thank you. That's it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. Let me know down in the comments if you guys enjoyed it. Let me know down in the comments if you guys have any ideas for other colors that I should try, or other color combos that you guys want to see. I'm willing to try. Doesn't mean it's gonna look great, but I'm willing to try, and I'm open to other ideas. Yeah, so that's it. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you to everybody who's been liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.